how to mute YouTube video on your phone. So how to mute, guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can mute the YouTube video on your phone. So basically you can only mute the YouTube video on your desktop or laptop, so there is no any option available in the phone. So today I will guide you that how you can mute the video on phone also. So like you can see, here is no any option to mute this video. So alternatively you will have to do a trick. So this trick will work on both iOS and Android devices. So for that process, simply open a browser. So like in my case, I'm opening the Chrome browser. So simply open a browser, and here you will have to type youtube.com in the search field and hit the go. Okay, so now YouTube has been opened in the browser. So another thing you will have to do is click on these three dots just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply click on it, and then you will have to go for the option desktop site. So simply check that option. So I have opened the YouTube in Chrome browser as in desktop mode. So simply click on video. So you are seeing an option to unmute and mute the video like on desktop or YouTube. So simply you can mute and unmute the video just by clicking this mute and unmute option there. Okay, like you can see, I can mute and unmute the video. So likewise, you can also mute the YouTube video on your phone. So this trick will work on every device. So if any queries are arised, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.